Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to your PCEX account. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on PCEX.com, and over here, once you are on this page, in the top right hand corner of the screen, instead of your profile icon, you will be able to see the login/register option. So you need to first of all click on that, and then you will have to simply log in into your account. Now, once you are in your PCEX account, you will have to click on the Assets tab. Now, if you scroll down a bit, unfortunately, you won't be able to find any of the options with the help of which you can basically add your credit card to your PCEX account. However, you can just deposit some money in your PCEX account with the help of any other exchanges, and in that exchange, basically, you can add a credit card. For example, if you select the recharge option, it will ask you to choose the currency. So you can choose between USDT and USDC. So let's say I've chosen the USDT and I have selected TRC20 network. Now you can just copy this address from here, and for example, Binance you have, so you can just simply use your credit card in your Binance account. You can add your credit card in your Binance account, and then you can purchase USDT in your Binance account, and after that you can send that USDT back in your PCEX account. This way that credit card will be added in your Binance account, and you will be able to operate your PCEX account with that. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.